Welcome back, everyone, to Everyday English, the podcast for kids to learn and have fun with English. I'm your host, Alex.
And I'm your co-host, Sarah. We are so excited you're joining us today.
We really are. Today, we have a very important and super interesting topic. We're going to talk all about healthy habits.
Ooh, healthy habits. That sounds like something grown-ups talk about.
It is, but it's super important for kids too, and we're going to make it easy and fun. So, first things first, Sarah, what exactly is a habit?
A habit. Is it something you do all the time?
You got it. A habit is something you do over and over again, so often that you do it without even thinking about it.
Oh, I see.
For example, do you brush your teeth every morning when you wake up?
Yes, of course.
And you probably don't have to think really hard about it, right? You just do it. That's a habit, and it's a great habit. A healthy habit.
So, a healthy habit is a good thing we do for our bodies every day.
Exactly. And there are other habits that are maybe not so healthy, like maybe eating too many cookies right before dinner.
Right. My mom says that will spoil my appetite.
She's right. So today we're going to focus on 4 easy, fun, healthy habits that will help you have more energy, feel happier, and be super strong. Are you ready to get started?
I am so ready. Let's do it.
All right. Our first healthy habit is all about food, the fuel for our bodies.
Fuel, like gasoline for a car?
That is the perfect way to think about it. A car needs gas to go, and our bodies need food for energy to run, jump, learn, and play all day.
Wow, so food is our fuel. I like that.
Me too. And to make our bodies run their best, we need to give them the best fuel, healthy food. Sarah, you told me you love strawberries. What else is a healthy food you like?
I really like carrots. They're crunchy and a little bit sweet, and I like to dip them in hummus.
Carrots are an amazing choice. They're a vegetable, and it's so important to eat both fruits like your strawberries and vegetables like your carrots.
Right, fruits and vegetables.
A really fun way to make sure you're eating lots of different kinds is to eat the rainbow. Have you heard of that?
You asked me that before, and I promise I won't eat my crayons. It means eating foods with lots of different colors.
That's right, you remembered. So let's build a rainbow on our plates. What's a red food?
Strawberries or apples or raspberries.
Perfect. Now, what about an orange food?
Oranges, of course, and carrots and pumpkin.
Excellent. How about a yellow food?
Bananas and corn and lemons are yellow, but they are very sour.
They sure are. Okay, next is green. This is a big one.
Oh, so many. Broccoli, spinach, green beans, cucumbers, peas.
Wow, you're a green vegetable expert. And for blue or purple?
Blueberries and grapes can be purple, and eggplant.
You've made a beautiful, healthy rainbow. All these different colors give your body different vitamins and minerals to help you grow strong and stay healthy.
A rainbow on my plate is a healthy plate.
That's the one. Now, it's also important to think about snacks. When you get hungry between meals, it's easy to want a cookie or chips.
It is.
And it's okay to have those sometimes as a treat. But a healthy habit is to choose a healthy snack most of the time, like a crunchy apple or a handful of nuts or a yogurt. They give you much better energy.
That makes sense. The good fuel, not the sleepy fuel.
You got it. So the challenge for everyone listening is to try one new fruit or vegetable this week. Be a food explorer.
A food explorer. I love it.
Okay, food explorer Sarah, what's our second healthy habit? It's something you should have with all that delicious healthy food.
Is it water?
Ding, 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 we have a winner. Yes, it's drinking plenty of water.
Water is so important.
It's more than important, it's essential. Did you know that your body, right now, is mostly made of water?
Whoa, really? I don't feel sloshy.
You wouldn't, but every part of you, from your brain to your muscles, needs water to work correctly.
Wow. So when should we drink water?
That's a great question. You should drink water all through the day. It's great to have a glass when you first wake up in the morning to get your body started.
Okay, water in the morning.
And you should drink it with your meals. It helps your body digest the food. And it's very important to drink water when you're playing or exercising.
Oh, right, because you get hot and sweaty.
Exactly. Sweating is your body's way of cooling down, but you lose water, so you have to put that water back in by drinking it. When you feel thirsty, that's a sign that your body already needs water.
So we should drink even before we feel thirsty?
That's a great idea, especially if you know you're going to be running around.
That makes sense.
Now, there are lots of other things to drink, right? Like juice and milk and soda.
Right, I love apple juice.
And apple juice is nice as a treat, but some juices and most sodas have a lot of sugar, and too much sugar isn't the best fuel for our bodies. Milk is great, it helps build strong bones, but the number one all-star drink is always water.
The champion of drinks.
Exactly. So the easy habit here is to get your own special water bottle, like your rocket ship one, and keep it with you. You can fill it up in the morning and sip it all day.
That's a great tip. And it helps the planet because you're not using lots of plastic cups.
What a fantastic point, Sarah. You're being healthy for your body and for the earth. So we have healthy fuel and healthy drinks. Now it's time for our third healthy habit, which is all about action.
It's time to move our bodies. Get the wiggles out.
That's right. Get the wiggles out. Moving our bodies or getting exercise is so important. Our bodies were made to move, not to sit still all day long.
That's true. If I sit for too long, I feel antsy.
Antsy is the perfect word for it. It means you feel like you need to move. And there are a million fun ways to do it. It doesn't have to be a serious sport.
Right. My favorite is still dancing. I put on some music and just go crazy. It's so fun.
Dancing is one of the best. It works your whole body, and it's impossible to be in a bad mood when you're dancing.
Totally. What's your favorite way to move, Alex?
I love to go for a bike ride. I love feeling the wind and seeing new places. But even simple things are great. We can move our bodies inside or outside.
Okay, give me an idea for an inside movement.
Inside, you could build a fort with pillows and blankets. That's a lot of moving and lifting. Or you could play hide and seek.
Oh, I love hide and seek.
And for outside, the list is endless. You can go to a playground and swing on the swings, go down the slide.
Or you could kick a soccer ball, or throw a frisbee, or just run on the grass.
See? So many fun things. The goal is to do something active every day. It makes your heart stronger, it builds your muscles, and it even helps your brain work better.
It does? How?
When you move your body, you get more blood and oxygen flowing to your brain, which helps you think and focus. So playing for a little while can actually help you with your homework later.
No way. That's the best reason ever to go play.
It's true. So our challenge is to find a fun way to move for a little while every single day, even if it's just for 15 minutes.
We can all do that.
Okay, we've had healthy food, lots of water, and we've moved our bodies. After all that, our bodies get tired, which leads us to our final super duper important healthy habit for today.
It must be time for sleep.
You got it. Sleep. We can't forget about sleep. It's like charging a battery. Your body is the battery, and sleep is how you charge it up for the next day.
I never thought of it like that. I'm like a robot that needs to charge.
Totally. While you are sleeping, your body is doing amazing work. It's repairing your muscles, it's helping you fight off germs, and it's helping you grow taller.
So I'm actually growing in my sleep?
Yes, and your brain is busy too. It's like a little librarian, taking all the information you learned that day and putting it on the right shelves so you can find it later.
So that's why things are easier to remember after I sleep on it.
That's the exact reason. So getting enough good sleep is key. And a big part of that is having a good bedtime routine.
A routine. That's a habit of doing the same things every night.
Perfect. A good routine tells your brain, hey, it's time to shut down for the night. It could start with a warm, relaxing bath.
Baths are nice.
Then you put on your cozy pajamas. Then you brush your teeth, which we already know is a great habit.
Check, check, and check.
And then for the last step, the best habit is to turn off the screens, the TV, the tablet, the phone, and read a book instead, or look at a picture book.
Why is that so much better?
The bright light from a screen can wake your brain up, making it harder to fall asleep. A book is calm, it's quiet. It lets your mind relax and drift off into dreamland.
Speaking of dreams, why do we even have them? They can be so silly sometimes.
That's your amazing brain at work again. It's sorting through thoughts and feelings, and sometimes it mixes them all up into funny stories. It's all part of the process of resting and learning.
Wow, our brains are so cool.
They really are. So the challenge here is to try and go to bed around the same time each night and to try reading a book to help you relax before you close your eyes.
I can definitely do that.
You know, Sarah, I was thinking, we've talked about keeping our bodies healthy, but I think we have time for one more bonus habit, a super secret, extra important one. And just like that, we've covered our 4 amazing healthy habits for today. Let's see if we can remember them all.
Okay, a pop quiz. I'm ready.
All right, Quizmaster Sarah, what was healthy habit number 1? The one that was colorful and delicious.
That was eating a rainbow of fruits and vegetables to get good fuel for our bodies.
Correct. 1 for Sarah. Now, what was healthy habit number 2? The champion of all drinks.
Drink lots and lots of water to stay hydrated and help our bodies work their best.
2 for 2. You're amazing at this. What was healthy habit number 3? The one that gets the wiggles out.
To move our bodies every day in a way that is fun, like dancing or riding a bike or playing hide and seek.
Nailed it. Okay, last one. What was healthy habit number 4? The one that charges our batteries.
Get plenty of good sleep with a calm bedtime routine so our bodies and brains can rest, grow, and get ready for a new day.
She did it. 4 out of 4. A perfect score.
Yay! And, when you list them like that, they all sound pretty easy to do.
That's the whole point. You don't have to do everything perfectly all at once. The idea is to just start with one small change.
Right. Like, maybe this week I'll just focus on carrying my water bottle with me everywhere.
That is a perfect goal. And maybe next week you'll try adding a story before bed. Small steps make big changes over time.
We hope all of you listening feel inspired to try one new healthy habit this week.
We sure do. Well, that's all the time we have for this episode of Everyday English. Thanks so much for joining us.
It was so much fun. Join us next time when our topic will be all about pets, dogs, cats, fish, and more.
It's gonna be a great one. Until then, stay healthy and keep practicing your English. Bye, everyone.
Bye for now.